dey? Pastor! Pastor! Who know that dey house now? Pastor! Pastor!
Who is that shouting my name?
Pastor! Yeah. Okay, thank God. Pastor, please.
Who is that?
Pastor! Pastor! Time to meet you, Pastor.
What is the problem?
Pastor,
hungry? By this time?
Pastor, give me food.
Imagine.
Pastor, give me food.
Food?
Give me food.
Don't worry, I'm going to pray for you.
No, Pastor.
I will pray for you.
No,
But every spirit of hunger in you will disappear.
Pastor, food.
In the name of Jesus, I pray for you, my son. But every spirit of hunger in you disappear right now in the name of Jesus. Let the spirit of hunger in you out. In the name of Jesus. Every spirit of hunger in you out. In the name of Jesus. I reject every spirit of hunger. I remove it. I cast it out. Every spirit of hunger in you out. Out in the name of Jesus. Out in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus, cast it out. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Out. In the name of Jesus. May the Lord deliver you. May the Lord heal you. May the Lord deliver you. In the name of Jesus. My son, are you still hungry? Wait for me. Are you still hungry? Wait for me. Come here.